Ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 kalarai ban wanrah no ya ka Kapten Williamson Sangma Technical University Amendment Bill hapoh ka Dorbar Mang jong ke Jylla ban la ban Pynkylla no sya ka Kapten Williamson Sangma State University. Kini karai kalami na ke jingialang jong ka Kynhun Myntri ke balai iakynduh hynne ke Thohdieng ban weng no ya ke jingeh jong ke samla pule ha ke baidei bat ka Common University Entrance Test lane ka CUET. Ha bai keran bat ke Nongpoh khubor Nongpoh ke Sorkar Bah Paul Lyngdoh ulong ba ke Sorkar kan sawan rakno da ke bil Iingdorbar Thaw Ain ban Pynkylla ya ke Kapten Williamson Sangma Technical University sya ka State University. Shushu ulong ru ba ke Kynhun Myntri kalai keran menta ke si ya ke kamban sengno ya ke State University ke Nongpoh hapoh ke Jylla. Na kata kadau la wanrah ya kene ke kam sya ke jingialang jong ke Kynhun Myntri bat menta ya ke Kapten Williamson Sangma Technical University on setipno da ke Kapten Williamson Sangma State University. Ha ke jukapor Commissioner and Secretary in Charge Katanat Puli Putih BDR Tiwari ula pentip baya kapor bagi samlakin penderung Kyrteng ha ke CUET la penjalan menta sya ke laipol tarik ulber ha ke jaka jong ke kharar tarik ulber arzar arpulai.
The Captain William Sangma Technical University. Now, fundamentally the issue here is that we had created the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University Tura in 2011 with emphasis on high quality education in the areas of engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, including technical and related areas. But today, the cabinet took up the matter of establishing its first state-run university, which means that fundamentally we decided to bring this into the cabinet in order that the Captain William Sangma Technical University now will become the Captain William Sangma State University. And since this is the first state university, we will offer courses in higher education in the fields of humanities, commerce, general science, engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology and related matters. So the proposal has been okayed by the Law Department, the Finance Department and the Personnel Department, and our efforts now will be to try and strengthen the various departments that I mentioned so that this university becomes a success story. So the Captain William Sangma Technical University Amendment Bill will be placed on the table of the House to make it Captain William Sangma State University.
Well, there are always more than two ways of looking at things. That's your perspective. That's your opinion. Yeah? The opinion of the majority is that in order to not be bound by a certain regulation, let's have a state university. So that's democracy. You don't see things your way only.
So in that case, when will we have this state university to ensure that there will be no such competition?
We've already passed and adopted a cabinet memo to change the technical university into a state university. What comes next is the infrastructure, the support, the technical staff, the faculty, right? These will fall in place once the act is adopted.
Can we have more information on this? Like, what is the total area, the space that is going to have this university?
Probably the space available now will not suffice. We have to go on expansion mode.
But with today's technology, everything is possible. And I mentioned very clearly that we will include studies in the department fields of humanities, commerce, general sciences, engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, and related areas. So it's and professional courses as well. So it's all inclusive.
Don't you think it should be in state headquarters?
The only hitch here is that you already have a technical university at Tura. So transferring it to Shillong physically again will take so much time. So in order to immediately have a state university, you convert this technical university into a state university so that you do away with all the challenges that Afrin has just mentioned, CUT and all.
Enhanced, and that is been fixed for 30th March rather than 12th March for the enrolling the student for the appearing in exams.
No exemption.
No exemption.
At present, that is the status.
But the government has requested for exemption, stating that the students are not ready for the CUT.
Further, I have to just get the details and then.
Moreover, a new government has just taken over. So let the new government tackle. Let the new education minister tackle. You're talking of something which happened in the previous tenure. Now a new assembly has been elected. A new cabinet has taken over.
But the new government only had requested for
It's not a new government.
Yeah.
That was MDA one. CM mentioned the moment he took over, okay, which is not even a week now. So let the new government pursue that matter.